Major shakeups are coming to the marketplace in 2026, especially if you're one of the over 1 million people insured through Aetna on healthcare.gov. Now, if you are insured through Aetna, don't wait. This is a crucial time to explore your options, so we highly recommend making an appointment with your broker sooner rather than later. CVS Health, which owns Aetna, announced it will exit the Affordable Care Act marketplace starting in 2026. That means Aetna plans will no longer be available on healthcare.gov or your state exchange. Roughly 1 million people in 17 states will lose their coverage. And if you are one of them, you'll need to find a new plan during the next open enrollment period. So why is CVS doing this? Well, the company says it's a strategic shift. With rising healthcare costs and a new leadership team, they're choosing to focus on what they call more sustainable parts of their business. This includes pharmacy services, weight loss drugs like Wegovy, and employer-sponsored group health insurance plans, as opposed to those individual plans available on the marketplace. So if you're currently insured through Aetna, the best thing to do is start exploring options now. You don't want to wait until the last minute and end up scrambling to find a new plan, or worse, wind up completely uninsured. This is where iHealthBrokers comes in. Our licensed agents will check what plans will be available in your area for 2026, compare costs and coverage for your exact needs, make sure you don't lose access to your doctors or medications, and basically handle everything for you at absolutely no cost. So make sure to call iHealthBrokers for your appointment. You can reach us at the number on the screen. If you have questions, you can reach us in the comments below. You can also reach out via our website, iHealthBrokers.com. Just a reminder, we do release these videos on a weekly basis, and of course this is a more targeted video regarding those currently insured through Aetna, but we release videos regarding marketplace insurance and health insurance in general to help answer some of those commonly asked questions. So please make sure to subscribe to stay up to date and like this video so we can get this information out there. All right, let's get back to it. If you live in a suburban or metropolitan area, it's highly likely that you'll be able to switch to a different plan offered by a different carrier. However, for many who live in so-called healthcare deserts, this may be more difficult. There are, of course, different types of health insurance plans, things that are available off of the marketplace, which may be available to you instead. But remember, when shopping for insurance, every plan is different. Deductibles, copays and coinsurance, out-of-pocket maximum, benefits, networks can vary widely, and that's why it's really important that you work with an expert. As far as these specific changes for 2026, there are actually more changes regarding CVS. In Arkansas, CVS is closing 20 stores in response to a new law banning PBMs from owning pharmacies. This could restrict pharmacy access for over 300,000 local residents, especially those requiring specialty care. This is what I mentioned just a moment ago, those healthcare deserts. So if you're in Arkansas or a rural area, it's very important that you switch to a carrier that will allow you pharmacy access. Now, despite these shakeups, CVS is doing just fine, reporting nearly $1.8 billion in profit from the first quarter of 2025 alone. They're making business decisions that work for them. But now it's time to make a decision that works for you. So whether you're shopping for an ACA marketplace plan, a private insurance plan, or something like short-term medical, Medicare, or even dental or vision insurance, we've got you covered. iHealthBrokers can simplify the process and get you coverage quickly. And remember, you don't pay us, and we work for you, not the insurance carrier. So mark your calendar because open enrollment for 2026 begins November 1st, 2025 in most states. But the smart move is to make an appointment now so you can still explore your options stress-free. Don't gamble with your health insurance. If you're losing your Aetna plan or you just want to explore different options, please make sure to reach out to us at the number on the screen. If you have any questions, you can reach us in the comments below. Also, if you want to learn more about marketplace plans in general, I will put a marketplace plan playlist over here for you to explore all of your options. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to stay up to date, and we'll see you next time.